everyone, I'm Naomi from Singapore. I love to do arts and craft, and this year I enjoy doing candles. Actually last year, and I happens to find some information about crafted candles, and I start to do some research, and I found Candle Bloom. And initially I hesitate to come to Russia because, well, I'm a little bit afraid because I cannot speak in Russian. Um, but the trainer and everyone in Russia is very friendly. Especially the trainer is very patient. She has teach me a lot of things, and I see myself improve as days goes by. And she explained in details. Even when I have a lot of questions, she answered all the questions. And this is a great adventure, and I'm very happy that I came to Russia, and I'm very happy that I have a very fulfilled trip. And if you love to do craft and you love candles, I definitely would introduce you to come to Candle Brew because the trainer is very patient, and she guide you in details, and it's definitely worth coming. And thank you for hosting me in Russia and giving me so much information and skills and training, and I appreciate a lot. And have a happy 2018. Thank you.